types of cyclists. The first respects no generally accepted rules of bike maintenance. The second is all very excited about getting a bike but never ever in their lives will get down to bike maintenance. The third relies entirely on a best friend for bike maintenance. And finally the fourth that will pull all powers of the universe and try different toolsets to manage bike maintenance. I believe this episode is for the last group predominantly, although the previous three can have a look and turn into bike maintenance heroes. As a warm-up, I can present you with extra numbers dedicated to the transformational nature of bicycles. Did you know that in the Nordic countries, €1 investment into the bike infrastructure in the city gives you €8 in return? Not impressed? Well, 19 million. It is the number of bike trips taken every day in the Netherlands. Come on, I'm astonished. Whatever budget you represent, you can keep your bike running smoothly and in a tip-top condition for years. Well, at first glance, bike is just a frame with the saddle on two wheels. But its beauty lies in the details. There are dozens of little inaccessible spaces when you need to use manual skills supported by appropriate tools. Therefore, I present you with this set. You hold it and you already feel like a winner in your struggle for successful bike maintenance. Well, it says, be a rebel tool. Let's give it a try. I'm giving it a go. I open it and I see, well, Hex-plus from 2 to 10 mm and Torx 10 and 25 keys in sizes most often and commonly used in the cycling world. In the comments, you, of course, can open a discussion which spanners are better and more desired. I will only point that Torx keys have a significantly smaller drive angle which distributes force concentration better, so you can rely on Torx when you need to put much torque through your tool and space is confined. Do you need an example? Well, I will give you one. A bottle container basket attached to your bike's frame will definitely need a Torx if you want to save yourself time and trouble. Hex-plus keys, on the other hand, are much more common. Just remember that for Hex, you will need a bit more depth to do your job and to not strip out. Their key feature is ball-ended longer arm that enables operations at an angle. The careful design of a hexagon end allows the reduction of wear on the screw. Cyclists use them to fix a saddle, tighten handlebars or adjust pedals. Can you guess why this set consists of 9 keys, both Hex and Torx? As Torx is taking the cycling world by the storm, it is quite reasonable to have 2 types at your disposal. If you need more information on Hex and Torx, I strongly recommend the link. And now, think globally and act locally. The use of your bike might and will affect the environment. Some, like Mr. Clarkson, believe that riding your bike actually works against the protection of the planet, but he clearly forgets that traveling by bike is 3 times faster than walking for the same amount of energy. Anyway, riding a bike like this gives you a pure feeling of freedom, best when it is supported by the trust for your machine. And to trust your machine, first you need to trust your cycling tools. Long time ago, in 2014, there was a study conducted which proved that cyclists represent a unique blend of wit, generosity and the cool factor. Because of some unknown reasons, some of us still lack the cool factor, but not with this 41-piece ego-boosting set. Well, to tell you the truth, I couldn't believe it was just for a bike. Well, as you can see, 29 bits of all possible shapes and sizes pushed out automatically, allowing easy removal of individual pieces. 7 sockets easily pulled out and intuitively removed from the holder. But there is a catch. You might be wondering why they are colored. Well, this is color coding according to sizes. Each visually oriented user will find it extra helpful as colors manifest appropriate sizes. It relates to take it easy to fighter concept. Wera's Zyklop Mini 1-bit ratchet is protected by transplant sleeve. You can insert the bits directly to the head of the ratchet, which seems quite natural and easy, and this is perfect when you are working in cramped conditions. Well, there's also the little switch here, which provides fast ratcheting direction change. But guess what? There is Wera Rapidaptor, which is a bit holder. Wait, it goes away. So you take away the bit, like this. you insert it right here, and then you've got the extension. It helps greatly to increase working speeds and allows steady during use. And as I said before, works like a mini extension. There is something more still. Well, I was surprised. Come on. This little plastic device that allows you to use the ratchet like this in the most comfortable way ever. It is a bit check, and as you want to travel light, you may carry just this little part and enjoy some tools inserted here with no loss of space or precision, as the 60-teeth ratchet fitted in here will keep ergonomics and functionality on the highest level. And if you want to insert bits, one more, you just put them here and you travel. What redounds to Wera's credit most? Well, this Kraftform handle. Just imagine this handle in your hand, providing you with easy to grip soft zone, ensuring optimal contact between your muscle and the tool that allows maximum transfer of high amount of torque. In simple words, the tool and your hand become one. And this is the feature I could kill for. And finally, two extras. What I'm talking about is this two-piece tire jack set for the mobile as well as stationary use. Well, we've got 9502. With this one, you can secure a French valve, whereas 9503 jack works as valve ejector. With both of them, you can safely level off the rim of tires without damaging it. You know what is surprising? That a bike could do without you as long as it stands straight and goes from 8 to 12 meters per hour without being touched. But unfortunately, you cannot do without your bike. So my advice is to buy tools that your bike will appreciate.
Jeszcze raz.
Jeszcze raz. I musisz mi to podwinąć.
Tutaj, tak?
No, a ja tak sobie tak sobie tu. O Jezus, jak mnie palce już bolą od tych bit.